In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to precisely align text within your design using text frames. Whether you're working on a graphic design project or just organizing your notes, understanding how to master text alignment is crucial for a polished, professional look. Let's dive right into it. First, let's begin by selecting the text box where you'll be working. This may also be a shape containing text, which you can manage using the Frame Text tool. Once you've got your text area selected, we'll need to open the paragraph panel. You can locate this by navigating to the Window menu, then selecting Text, and finally hitting Paragraph. This action will bring up the control center for your text alignment needs, housing all the essential options in one convenient spot. Within the Paragraph panel, you'll notice icons representing alignment options. These include Left Align, Center, Right Align, and Justify, giving you the flexibility to format your text in the way that best fits your design or document requirements. For example, if you're looking for a clean, traditional presentation, Left Align tends to work great. Alternatively, for more symmetrical or formal layouts, Center alignment might be the way to go, while Right Align can be used creatively or for specific textual effects, particularly in more dynamic designs. Justifying the text is a handy tool too, often giving a text-heavy document a neat block-like appearance. Next, we'll discuss how to manage vertical alignment within a text frame, which can be just as important depending on the aesthetic you're aiming for. First, you'll want to ensure that your text frame is selected. Then, head over to the text menu and search for the vertical alignment option. Here, you have the power to position your text at the top, center, or even the bottom of your text frame. Top alignment is usually the default, but centering the text can give a fresh look, especially when dealing with posters or promotional designs. Meanwhile, bottom alignment can add an interesting dynamic, often used in more avant-garde layout styles. In addition to alignment, tweaking the indents, spacing, and tab stops within the paragraph panel gives you even more control over your layout's appearance. Adjusting these settings as needed can help tailor your document structure or artistry, ensuring that it all flows as it should. This can be particularly useful in complex designs where text elements need to stay within certain boundaries or adhere to strict layout guidelines. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to text alignment within text frames. Play around with these settings and see how they can transform your designs into something both stunning and sophisticated. Thanks for tuning in today, and here's to better organized and more visually compelling text presentations.